Good evening to everyone. So this is a software called Visionary Advanced Inventory Software. So this is the main admin that we have with us. So I want to log in with the main admin. There is no registration page. You can only register if the admin register you or if anyone is given access to register. So we click on the login now. So after clicking on the login, we can see daily statistics, weekly statistics. These things are calculated automatically on how they are making sales. But if you have to look at this, we can also see statistics based on branch, but we don't have any branch yet in which we are going to create one. And this is the point of sales here, in which we can sell product. But before we be able to sell products, we must see branch that we want to sell to, but no branch is here. So now the next place I'm going to go to first of all is to create new branch, in which I'm going to create a new branch. For example, I can call this maybe main branch. So after creating main branch, you can also create another branch, maybe Anthony branch. So we are creating a new branch. So now we've already have two branches. If you come back here, we are going to see Anthony branch and main branch, but we don't have any products under any of them yet. So for now, we can go back to create a new product. So if we click on this create new product, we are going to see that we have product name, barcode, selling price, wholesale price, purchase price, the product, should it be sold or not. If you don't want to be, should be suspended, the quantity of the product, single product. This place is working. If for example I'm selling bed, I can just choose single product, then I will continue. I'll just put the quantity. But what if I'm selling something like a crate of mineral? If I'm selling something like a crate of mineral, that is where this pack size with quantity is working, but we are not there for now. And we have selection of branch, we have selection of distributor, which is our supplier, and selection of category, but we don't have these two yet. So we can show we are going to see suppliers here. So we can show create a new supplier. We can just name it main supplier. Then what's the company phone number? I can just put what's the mail. We can just put support@mainsupplier.com. Then the company location is not compulsory, but we can just put something like trade fair. But it's not compulsory. Then we click on this submit. It's created already. So after creating the supplier, the next thing for us to create is category. We need to create category. So the category name, I can just use any category name of my choice. So the category that I can just put here, probably let me just put clothes category. Then we create category. That's that on that. So now the next point is, let me create a new product. So I'm going to come here to quickly create a new product, because where we create new product. So this place we can insert our product name. So I can just name it something like Pussy Black Dress. Just I think it's category product I created. This product barcode, you can use your scanner barcode on it, any one of your choice. Selling price, what's the price I'm selling this product? So I can just put something like 15,000. What's the wholesale price for people that are buying in bulk? I can just put 13,500. And how much did I buy it? Like from market, the purchase price, the market price. So I can just put something like 9,500. So now, did I want them to be selling this product or not? Then I'm just going to choose that. If I don't want them to be selling the product yet on the sales page, then I'm going to choose suspend. Now, what's the number of product that I bought? I can just put something like I bought 20 pieces of this clothes. Then is this a single product or a pack size with quantity? If it is a single product, I'm going to leave it in single products. But if it is product with pack size quantity, that's means that, for example, now adding bin I'm creating, for example, let me use a crate of mineral, for example, which has 24 bottles. Then I'm just going to put 24 here. Or maybe a bag of pure water that has 20 pieces. I'm just going to put 20 here. So it's going to use it for the system is going to use it for the calculation automatically. But unfortunately, this dress, fortunately, it is on single product. So that's just going to be. Then which branch is it going to be under? I'm just going to choose main branch. Who is our distributor, main supplier? Under which category? Under close category. We can create as many categories of our choice. Then decide not to add image. If you wish, we can add image, and if you wish, we can just leave the addition of the image. Now the product description. If you have any description to put, though it is not compulsory, then we create the product. So the product is created successfully. If you want to see the product that we created, we can come to this products page. Then we are going to see the product. So the selling price is 15,000, wholesale price and purchase price. Can we all see with other information? If you need to edit the product, you can click on this edit, and we can also filter products. Everything is working fine. So that's that on that. Now the next place we are going to is the we can go to the point of sales. where we want to sell products. I think we only have the product under main branch in which we are going to click on. So on this main branch now, can we see what we are having? We don't have any customer yet, so we must have a customer. For you to sell product, first of all, we will have to create a customer. So we can just name the customer Kudus. Then what's the phone number? 07067752068. Then this address is not compulsory. Then we click on the save customer, and that's what the customer is created. But if we want to add a new customer and we put maybe like different name with the same phone number, if you want to create, it's going to be telling us that Kudus is using this phone number, letting us know that the customer phone number is existing before, and we can just select the customer underneath. Then what did you want to sell the product? Do you want to use the selling price to sell the product, or wholesale price or purchase price? I'm just going to stay on the selling price. Then we can search for products through here, but this is the only product that we create. Then I'm just going to click on this add products. You can also use products using our scanner barcode, or you just search for the product, and that's all. So now this is the product here. How many are we buying? So we can just use maybe like 3. Then the calculation is going to be done automatically. So this place, we can hide this. So this place is the subtotal, because we are buying 3 and this is our VAT is 3.4. It can be set from their from settings page, which is this one. So this is the total, which is the 46,530. Then what mode is the person paying? Is it through cash, transfer, check, or credit? Or if it is credit, or you choose, then how much is the person paying out of the total amount, which is 46,530? Probably the person is paying us 40,000 out of it. Then we put 40,000 there. Then who is the customer? We can search for customer, but I'm choosing Kudus for this. Then we can add additional information for people that are selling phone. We can use maybe you want to add IMEI, how many gigram, or their selling system. They can put additional information here and click on products purchased, and that's all. So if you want to print the receipt, you can come to this print last receipt. Then you'll be able to print your receipts. Then these are the informations for the receipts. These are all the informations for the receipts. So, and that's that on that. We shouldn't forget that the person is a creditor. Then the product that I sold is the page where you are going to see the products, like all the products you sold. And for this, under this message, you can see the product that we just finished selling. So after this message, we have sale history or all sales. This is going to show the last 250 transactions for all staffs, and it's going to do the calculation here automatically. So where the last 250 transactions are going to get showed here in paginated form. And we have our sales reports. This is the sales reports where we can select sales that happened between 2 dates. So this is the first date choosing, and this is the second date choosing. So when we click on select records, even if it is 100 records that are between these dates, it is going to fetch them out for us to see. So why on this creditors page? This for everyone that collect on the credits, when we are selling, that we choose credit for them. So this is where it's going to show. So remember the other time, the person bought products worth 45,000 naira and paid 40,000, and this is the balance. So even if the person, maybe the person just come to the store and pay maybe like 3,000 naira out of the money, so you can show edit this 5,000 to 3,000 and click on pay. So it is going to show the amount that remain. The system is going to do the calculation itself. So that's how that works, as we can see. So why the next one is the expenses page? This expenses page is just for you to see, okay, I bought broom, so everything is just going to have its own calculation. Let me use broom for example. How much did you buy? Is 500 naira. Then from which branch? Then you are going to choose the branch and add up. But if it is for staff, the branch is not going to show. It is going to work automatically for the branch that the staff is registered under. So that's that on that. And this is the list of our products that we have. So after this, we can create new products, as we shown the other time. So, and this product type is a single product and pack size with quantity. If it is great, you can put the 24 there. So the next one is all the price that we are putting in this wholesale price, which is the market price. I'm sorry, in this purchase price, which is the market price. Everything is going to automatically show under this market product using just the market price. So the next one is categories, where we can create category as I did the other time, where we can create branch as I did the other time, where we can create suppliers as I did the other time. Now this is the list of staff member. We don't think we have any staff. Okay, yeah, we have some staffs here, and we can do page edits for each staff, like the page that we want each staff to have access to, because all these pages are saved to database. So we can select, for example, now this staff is not selected with any date, and is not assigned to any page. So we can choose the page that we want to assign to the user and update the page. So, and this is also the list of admins, and this is our registration page where we can register a new member or a new staff or a new admin, and page is going to be assigned to them. Now the next one is the customers page, where we can see the list of all customers that we have as we are selling any goods to them. And if we need to do any edits, we can do the edits there. Now the next one is now the company settings. Don't forget that when I'm selling products, we have VAT of 3.40. You can set the VAT here, and it's not going to exceed 100%. This is the company setting, the phone number, everything that is showing on the receipt. That's how that works. And this uneditable, when you want to sell products, you need to be able to edit price. But if you set it to editable, you will be able to edit price as we are selling, because some stores did not have a fixed price. So now this is transfer product. If you have maybe like 2 branch and there's a branch you want to sell product from, for example, on this main branch I just have this product of 17, but on Anthony branch they didn't have any product. So if I want to take some product, maybe 3 out of this dress to the other branch, then I'm just going to click on the branch. Then how many did I want to transfer? I'm going to put 3 there. Then where am I transferring it to? I'll choose Anthony branch. Then I'll click on this transfer product. So it's going to transfer the product. So if I click on this main branch from 17, it should be 14. Or if I click on this Anthony branch, it should be 3. So that's how that works. If you go back to our product page, we are going to see that we are going to have 2 products now. One is for Anthony branch, while the other is for the main branch. It has 3, it has 14. So that's that on that about transferring of products from one branch to another. So this is a return product. If a customer bought a product and was like, okay, I want to return it, this is where they are going to return the product. Now the next one is profile, where the person that is logging can change maybe his mail, password, and all from here, which is working very fine. And the last one is swap. So if for example now, if a customer come and was like, okay, what's the dress that, okay, I want to swap the dress from one dress to another, but we only have a product, you are going to click on the dress, then which customer, the product that the customer wants. RDB, we have many list of products, we click on it, then how many is it bringing to swap with? 1. What's the value that you want to take? For example, the value of the products can be 15, and we can just decide that can be 15,000. We can just decide that, okay, when you've already have it before us, how many clothes do they want to have? Said that 1. Then what's the value of the products we want to give to him? So probably maybe the value is 20,000. We put it there. And how much is the customer adding? Which is the customer may not finish payment and the customer may finish payment. So the payment that the customer make is going to be about automatically the customer should be paying 13,000. Then if you have any other information you can add, then you create swap, and that's all. So that's all on our inventory app.